Snow continues to cover the summits of Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa. A blizzard warning has been in effect for much of the week.
Mauna Kea has experienced unusually severe weather. Heavy snowfall from the recent blizzard has hampered snow removal operations and has created unsafe conditions on the summit access roads. Due to the severe weather, road clearing operations may take many days. The road will be reopened as soon as all snow and ice have been cleared and it is safe. It is recommended that you check the Mauna Kea Weather Center Road Conditions website for road closure information. Mahalo.